Hey guys, welcome to a series called Investors Guide 101 where we will tell you about the basics of investing, and in this episode we are going to tell you about the things that you need to know before you get started with your trading journey. So let's begin. First thing you need is a bank account. We would suggest you to consider these 3 points for choosing your bank account. Number 1, the bank account should be preferably a national level bank so that it can keep all your money safe. You can consider having SBI Bank, HDFC Bank or Kotak Mahindra Bank. Number 2, the bank account should have easy online access and facilities like UPI banking, net banking and mobile banking. And lastly, if you are a young investor and do not need any extra facilities or services from your bank, we suggest you to open a zero minimum balance account like Kotak 811, SBI Bank BSBDA and HDFC Bank BSBDA. The second thing that you will need is a trading and demat account. Now earlier trading and demat account were used to be separate and they were considered separate as well, but now with the entry of these new age brokerages and well established players in the market, you can open both of these accounts at the same time and automatically link them as well. The banks which we told you about earlier in the video will have their own brokerage facilities, but most of the time these will be full-time brokerage facilities with high maintenance and transaction fees. But the benefit is that they provide you with personal brokers who will place your trades over call and advise you with the new market trends and trades that are recommended by their own research team based on your risk profile. Some new age brokers such as Zerodha, Upstocks, Paytm Money, Grow are dominating the market and are a good option for young investors. Now let's see why should you go with a discount brokerage. We will take Zerodha just for an example. It is used by most of the new users and market leaders because it is easy to open an individual account as the application process is simple, fast and it is completely online. Also, the joining fees is very low. We recommend that you take all the options including commodities, F&O, even if you do not do it initially, just so you have access to it when you want to enter the segments. I would also like to tell you that traditional brokerage houses used to have fixed transaction fees on all the transactions. Even though these fees have been reduced now, the discount brokerages will still charge you less. The discount brokerages cap their maximum fees per trade and it is usually very cheap. So if you are actively trading the markets, the amount of money you will save makes a world of difference in the long run. For Zerodha, the maximum per day fee for intraday trades and F&O is 20 rupees and there is no transaction fees when you invest in mutual funds. They give you seamless access to their entire ecosystem of platforms which are either created or funded by them like Kite and Varsity. Kite by Zerodha is an extremely easy to use and simplified mobile app for investment and trading. And if you want to learn about the stock market from the very basics in a simple to understand format with integrated tests, then Varsity by Zerodha is perfect for that. Now we will tell you how you can open a trading and demat account with Zerodha. We suggest that you use their website on your desktop or laptop for opening your account because it is easier to do in our own experience. If any of your friends are already using the same brokerage, ask them for an invite code because you will get free points which can be used later, and also you can get a discount on the account opening fees. Here is a list of things which are needed while opening a trading and demat account with Zerodha. Number 1, an original PAN card. Number 2, your Aadhaar card and make sure that your Aadhaar card is linked to your phone number. Number 3, your bank account information and your bank account online statements for 3 and 6 months. Number 4, keep in mind that for F&O, income proof is needed such as a 6-month bank account statement or your latest salary slip. After you have completed the online application process, it will take a week for your application to be processed or even a bit longer due to COVID. And finally, once your account is opened, you should note down your username, password, security questions answered in a safe location. If you want, you can secure your account further by using the Google Authenticator. Just look it up on YouTube to see how you can do that. Now wait, before putting any money into your account, we suggest that you use the Varsity app to begin learning about the stock market, and also you can take further online courses on YouTube and other platforms to increase your knowledge. Also, we recommend that you use a paper trading account like Track Invest for a month before adding money into your actual trading account to test what you have learned, as it will help you to understand how the market is working and impacts your paper accounts investment. A tip is that you select at least 5 stocks to study and stay up to date with the latest news, updates and price fluctuations. you should also start developing the habit to be more informed and aware about finance. You can use websites like Yahoo and Money Control to do that. Okay guys, that's all for today. And if you like the video, please drop a like, share it with your friends, and keep following Dalalstreet.ai for more such interesting content. And in the meantime, you can check out the interviews of fund managers to know about their views on investing.